Hi guys! Since ChatGPT was launched, there have been countless money-making opportunities introduced to you guys using this tool. Today, I also want to introduce you to a genuine money-making opportunity by applying for freelance content jobs on Upwork. And, of course, you can create this content using ChatGPT. Let's get started. Upwork is a popular online job platform. Just by entering the keyword content, you'll find numerous offers with salaries ranging from $100 to $1,000 and beyond. Of course, to earn this money, you need to be proficient in using ChatGPT and have a basic understanding of English to be able to edit content when needed. First, you need to create an Upwork account. Choose to register as a freelancer and then fill in your information such as your full name, email address, password, and country. Click on Create to create the account. After verifying your email, you need to set up profiles. First, fill in the job title. I'll set it as Content Creator. For work experience and education, you should add those. I'll skip this part to make the instructions quicker. English language proficiency is a must. Remember to select your proficiency level. For skills, Upwork provides suggestions, you can choose relevant ones. Next is the self-description section. Keep it brief, around 100 characters will do. I'll ask ChatGPT to write it and then you can copy and paste. Then select the services you provide, like social media content writing, SEO content, etc. Also, update your desired salary range. Finally, provide your address, country, city, and phone number. At first, just use your own information. You can also use your friend's information. After that, if you wish to scale up business, consider buying information. Check the profile information, then submit it. Each Upwork account created will receive 50 connects. These connects are used to pay fees when applying for any job. On average, you'll need to spend 10 to 16 connects to apply for a job. Each month, the system will top up a certain amount of free connects for you, depending on the package you're using. For example, the basic freelancer plan will receive 10 free connects, while the Freelancer Plus plan will receive 100 connects. If you want more connects, you'll have to purchase them. You can check the price list here. However, if you want to receive free connects, you can create multiple Upwork profiles on HideMyac and attach proxies to each profile. At this point, each profile is equivalent to an account logged in on a new device. Each month, these accounts will receive free connects. Those of you who want to personalize your Upwork account to specialize in specific fields or jobs can also refer to how to do it. Furthermore, Upwork also offers an affiliate program with a commission rate of 70% for the first contract the referrer receives and 5% if the referred person wins the next job. Those who manage multiple accounts can leverage this affiliate program to receive commissions. So, how do you apply for jobs on Upwork? You can search keyword and Upwork will display jobs related to these keywords. You click on the title to view the details of that job, including job requirements, salary range, and the number of connects needed to apply for the job. For example, this job requires you to know how to write SEO standard blog content, with a length of about 1,000 to 2,000 words. When applying, you must attach any blogs you've written, and so on. If you don't have any blogs, you just create content. When using ChatGPT, you can add the AIPRM ChatGPT extension. After adding it, you select Prompt Human Written and enter the keyword or title. ChatGPT will then automatically generate an SEO standard blog. At this point, you simply copy and paste it into a document and edit it as needed. For example, if you find a section too long, you can ask ChatGPT to shorten it for you. In addition to ChatGPT, you can also consider using Grammarly, Jasper AI, and so on to optimize your content. Remember, on Upwork, they hire real people, not just anyone. Simply tossing a few blogs generated by ChatGPT won't get you far. Once you've mastered tools like ChatGPT, I think it'll only take you about 1 to 2 hours to complete an SEO standard 1,000-2,000 word content. If you work full-time for 8 hours a day, you can create 4 to 8 pieces of content each day. If the best-case scenario is that all your content gets approved, and each piece earns, say, $30, then you could potentially earn $120 to $240 per day. Of course, this depends on winning jobs and producing quality content. Remember, there are plenty of others out there like you, using ChatGPT or other tools to create content. You can't rush when applying for jobs on Upwork. Instead, you should pay attention to finding high-quality jobs and learn how to use AI tools to write and optimize content effectively. If your content is approved on Upwork, it can be a good source of income, especially for those looking to develop as freelancers. ChatGPT and other AI tools currently provide significant support for making money online. Keep leveraging them, explore more opportunities. Thank you for watching video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.